Curd rice in 2 minutes. In the scorching summer, really this curd rice is gonna give you a very soothing feeling. So hello friends, welcome to my channel Andrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. So really this is a very easy recipe from my side. So let's start. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoonful of clarified butter or ghee to it. When the ghee is nicely hot, to this I'm going to add the tempering. Here mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, a little bit of hing, few curry leaves. Fry them nicely till the pulses become aromatic. To this I will be adding few green chilies, slit green chilies. This you can adjust according to your taste. I have added here 2 to 3 slit green chilies, and when this chili starts spluttering, I'll just fry for 2 or 3 minutes again. Not 2 or 3 minutes, just 30 seconds will be more than enough, I feel. And some roasted cashew nuts. This can be avoided. If you like, you can add groundnut also. Now add cooked rice, which I have kept in the fridge. If you keep in the fridge, it's easy to handle. And I like a little bit loosened one, not very tight type of curd rice, and this is very fluffy rice actually. And then I have added here curd also goes according to your choice. If you want to have it runny, you can put some more curd. Here for 2 ladles of rice, I have added half cup of curd, and salt according to your taste. Now mix it very nicely. This mixing really matters, and the curd you can adjust according to your taste, as I said, and the rice also as much as you require, you add it. Now this is ready to serve. Isn't that easy, quick? Just in 2 minutes your meal is ready, healthy, tasty, and will make your mood happy in this scorching heat. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again.